some of the AI generated tool in 20th century, in 20th century, we have big computers, right? Right. The game has changed from in the lab industry to our missions industry to, I mean, people working hard to everything can be stored in a computer, very big system. Now everything you need to type and need to write in 20th century. You need to store. Whereas in 21st century, you no need to write. Whenever you want something, you just assign to either DeepSeek or ChatGPT. Everything it can be done for yourself. So in 20th century, the way how computers have game changed the world, in 21st century, the AI tools are going to change the world, not only in terms of generating the content, in terms of the changing the code from one language to another language. So marketing plans, strategy plans, every other way, every industry, these open AI tools or DeepSeek is going to be involved heavily. Make sense? Let's understand the some of the tools. So I mean, this is the old message given by Jet tool. So it's a buzzword. So generative AI, chat GPT, chatbot, everything is a buzzwords now. AI agents, agentic AI, these are the buzzwords people are keep on using in the industry, right? Now, right now, let's understand the agenda. So before we're going to understand the agenda, all these thing applications and all, let me show you the content, guys. What are we going to cover in this course? So as we are targeting the freshers also, we are going to talk with the Excel. Now you have a question, why you need to start with the Excel? Reason behind, if you want to learn the machine learning models can be built using the MS Excel also. So some of your CEOs, your management people are using Excel heavily. So if you want to be a data scientist or generative AI specialist or AI specialist, you must have to learn about the Excel. We will start from the introduction to Excel. We complete the employee attendance tracker. We will do the sales performance I mean, sales performance or dashboards. Everything can be done using this. Okay. Right. Similarly, once you're done this, we will go with the Excel guy, sorry, SQL. So, I mean, the dates may not be same. The SQL, we'll understand about SQL. We'll do the different project in SQL. We'll cover about the data retrieval, filtering, functions, window functions, date functions. Uh, right. Right. All these things will cover two projects in this. Next, we'll cover about the Python. So, if you want to use the generative AI tools and everything, you require the Python, right? File handling, depth. It can be used for a developer point of view also. So Python libraries which are required for data science also we will be used like in pandas, numpy. Modifying we'll use the matplotlib, cbun, plotly, right? And we can do some projects. So you want to analyze the statistics or exploring the data, we will use the probability, bivariate analysis, central limit theorem, and all. And then we will understand about the machine learning, what machine learning we are going to use, what are the different techniques we are going to learn. And then we'll cover the few projects, right? And then assembling methods, right? And we'll understand about the deep learning basics, NLP basics, forecasting, type series, right? And we'll perform the uh, LLM models, RAG models, best practice for RAG and ChatGPT woven, how to build the ChatGPT using the enterprise data, right? Using the case study based learning with the tools, advanced prompt engineering, like building the LLM application for business, RAG models, how to fine tune the models, ChatGPT, right? AI agents, how to using the LangChain, building AI agents using the LangChain as well as the AutoChain, Lang graph. I mean, understand the stateful work of the Lang graph, and also will be covered in this case PySpark also, and Power BI basics will be covered in this course, and GitHub we will cover the GitHub, so where you can push it, and also be the deployment. The course will cover 145 days to 180 depending on the topic. It may vary, maybe it will go the 180 days. The entire course will be completed within 180 days, right? That is about the course point of view. Now any questions, guys? Any doubt? Mohan Jantalpudi, go ahead.
Yeah. So this generative AI means it's a combination of any tools or I mean I missed maybe I was joined a little late so Maybe you cover.
Generative is a combination of generative. Generative means generating AI. With the help of AI to generating the text and image data, it can be done with the help of applications of deep learning and reinforcement.
So it's indirectly it's nothing but deep learning and
Reinforcement, reinforcement learning.
okay, for that actually these are all concepts or any tools are there to implement this deep learning and
I mean, it can be done with the help of framework like PyTorch, TensorFlow, Keras. These are the three concepts which can be helped. And image for that, computer vision also another concept was here and all which can be done.
okay, these are all part of the curriculum.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I mentioned here. The deep learning and all everything. Yeah,
Mhm.
this
So,
deep
like,
learn.
how can we like? Is there any possibility of, for example, you said for marketing, for HR, these are
Mm-hmm.
all applicable
Uh,
applications. So,
uh,
if I
uh,
am a like I am developer and I want to analyze this is suitable for particular industry. For example, for marketing, I am
uh-huh.
working in a marketing.
Mm-hmm.
I am learning generative AI, and is there any way of I can think like is how I can apply this to my work? This kind of like
Definitely. For example, you are working in the marketing analytics.
yeah.
So in the marketing analytics, what you have to do, for example, every day you'll get a data. You need to understand. Let's say, let me tell you about the one of the example I can give you, easy to understand. Do you know about DMart, right?
Yes.
In the DMart, majority of the companies facing understocking as well as overstocking about the products. You want to predict, you want to create a one application, how many products are in live, how many products are selling, what which products are being sold today. You need to create a one application with the help of AI tool. Automatically it will give the insights as well as the reports to you just by clicking a button, right? For that we can use the AI tool. Of course, the backend we are going to use the machine learning or deep learning algorithms only.
So, okay, whatever we are doing by using ETL SQL, so we are doing by using Python and
Yes, machine
okay,
learning. So in Python, just Python is a part of coding. It can be help
for
you.
data fetching. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, yeah. Or if you have a large volume of data, we are going to use the PySpark rather than normal Python. That is the
Okay.
reason. That is the reason we are covering the PySpark also in the course.
Mm.
Yeah, that is the reason we are covering the PySpark also in the course. Data loading, explain data fetching and all.
So
PySpark
we
AI.
need to do basic cleansing and remaining deep learning will take care.